Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Express Loans. ExpressLoans.tech is a website that appears to offer loan services. It's important to exercise caution and thoroughly research any online lending platform before providing personal information or applying for a loan. Be sure to verify the legitimacy of the company, read reviews from other users, and understand the terms and conditions of any loan agreement before proceeding. Remember, borrowing money responsibly is crucial. Carefully consider your financial situation and ability to repay any loan before making a commitment. Look for transparent lending practices, clear fee structures, and avoid any platform that pressures you into making hasty decisions. There are numerous resources available online to help you make informed choices about borrowing money, including consumer protection agencies and financial advice websites. Take the time to compare different lenders and choose the option that best suits your needs and circumstances. Don't hesitate to seek professional financial guidance if you're unsure about anything. Protecting your financial well-being is paramount, so always prioritize responsible borrowing practices. It's important to be aware of potential risks associated with online lending platforms, including scams and fraudulent activities. Be wary of websites that promise guaranteed approval or unusually low interest rates. These could be red flags indicating a potential scam. Always double-check the website's security features and ensure that your personal information is protected. Look for secure connections, HTTPS, and verify the company's contact information. If something feels off or too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Remember, responsible borrowing is key to a healthy financial future.